welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. This is Eric, and this is going to be a quick unboxing of the Apai Genie 2 Smart Personal Robot Cameraman. It's a device that holds your phone and tracks you, so it has auto tracking, 360 rotation, multi-stream live, and video call. Some of the other features: Apai Genie app, use it for vlogging, object tracking, portrait switch, facial tracking, beauty filter, smart shooting, and it is tripod compatible. So let's open it up and see what comes in the box. Alright, so you obviously have your instructions in there. And then this is probably going to be a power cord. Let's open this up. This is the green color. It does come in different colors. And you can see right away that you've got a mounting screw hole on the bottom, so you can mount this to a tripod. And then you've got your power button here. Looks like two little LED indicators. And you've got your phone holder. You can see it's spring-loaded, so you can loosen this so that you can turn it in either portrait or landscape. And you've got a nice rubber foot down there so that your phone can sit on that, and it's nice and rubberized. Don't hold it. You can change the angle, and then this is going to be controlled by the Apai Genie to follow and track you. So that's the gadget itself. Just double check. I'm assuming this is going to be some type of power cord. Oh, actually it's batteries. So this runs off of batteries. That's actually even better. You don't have to attach it to a power cord. That way you can put it anywhere. And you open it this way. I'm assuming that's in order to insert those batteries. There you go. So there's where your batteries are going to go. There you go. And yeah, so we'll put the batteries in there and start putting it to use. But really nice looking. Looks like it's well made. Looks like it has all the features you'd want. So now it's just to start putting it to use. Anyway, that is going to be it for the unboxing. If you like this video, please click that like button. Stay tuned for a full video review of the product in the future. I'll put that link down there once that's posted. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments below. Don't forget to favorite this post to keep up with future product reviews, or subscribe to my channel to keep up with all my videos. And until next time, be safe and be happy.